Good morning. We're currently here at kilometer 99, and kilometer 99 is away from Iloilo capital, Iloilo provincial capital. So there is an ongoing construction here. Yep, of Antique Doctors Medical Center. So soon to rise and ongoing. This is kilometer 99 here at Antique, San Jose de Buenavista, Antique, the capital, provincial capital of the province of Antique. Good morning to all. On the back is the same kilometer 99, and I have a motorcycle here. A fuel efficiency of Honda Wave 110R is around 50 kilometers per liter. If you ran around 60 kilometers per hour maximum, but I ran around 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, so that's around 45 kilometers per liter. So at 99 kilometer 99, I spent around 2 to 2.2 to 2.5 liters of consuming fuel, unleaded gasoline. That's very fuel efficient because it costs around 2 pesos per kilometer, 2 pesos per liter, with the rising cost around 80 to 90 of gasoline. It's nice that you have a fuel efficient motorcycle, although it's not really that fast. The motorcycle is a 110cc, but it's efficient, fuel efficient. So this is kilometer 99 kilometers away from Iloilo provincial capital, and 13 kilometers away towards Sibalom, the next town here in San Jose. So good morning to all. Happy Sunday.